Hello, the Lord Nelly here with BuildYourArmy.com and how to use affiliate marketing in your sales funnel. Actually, one of my favorite ways to use sales funnels because it's the way I got started. Really, all you have to do is create a landing page, and in your buy now buttons or your links to buy, something's really shiny over here, you can direct the buy now button to your affiliate sales page. So they process the credit card and then pay you the credit. Alternatively, you can just use generate your own leads with a web form, and then in your email marketing you can sell the affiliate offer that way. Or you can sell your bonuses and say, sign up for my list, get the bonus, use this link to buy the product, and then I'll send you the bonuses. That's also a pretty powerful way to do it. Basically, you're creating a mini site for the affiliate product that you're selling in that sense. Use this theory at BuildYourArmy.com and use the free test drive to play around with the software. Keep building and enjoy your life.